Alright guys, so we got these low noise props and then the normal factory props. I'm going to kind of go up to the camera a little closer so you can see the difference. This is just a regular Mavic Pro prop. Now, let's check these out. Look at the angle. You notice the angle on these low noise props. You know, they also feel a little bit thinner to me. We have the basic Mavic with the standard factory props on right now. That's the decimal meter, sorry. So we're gonna say the average is about 74. I think that's a pretty fair average. It's between 73 and 75. So 74 decimals is a pretty good fair assessment. Now we have the other Mavic up with the low noise props, and we're standing right next to the decimal meter, and let's check out what it's gonna report. So 69 to 71 is what it's been bouncing between, compared to the 74 decibels on average that the regular ones that come on the Mavic Pro. We're gonna get both of them right next to each other, and let's just check out the stability and see if there's any difference. Probably not, because it's just props, but you never know. It'd be nice to know what you're spending that extra 300 bucks on. All right guys, so what we did here is we just put them side by side, as you can see. The one right up here has the low noise props that comes on the Mavic Pro Platinum. The one on the right is just your regular Mavic Pro with the regular props. Now, stability wise, it's the same. There's no difference in stability. I'm looking at the RPMs. Now this is the regular factory props that come with the Mavic Pro. This isn't the low noise props. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. The RPMs are hovering right about 540 to 545 RPMs. Okay? There you go, Jason. Right here, these have the low noise props, and the RPMs are sitting between 480 to 490. So that is something else that you might want to look at as well. So yeah, the RPMs are just slightly lower, but my question, this is the big question, is it $300 lower? Noise-wise, again, there's only a 4 decibel difference. That's it. So what you get from the Mavic Platinum Pro versus the Mavic Pro is, what, 3 or 4 extra minutes of battery time, 4 decibels. That really doesn't mean a hill of beans to a regular flyer like myself. You know, again, just try to get an honest opinion out there. And if you guys disagree, please come at me and say, hey, yo, I disagree and this is why. We'll have an intelligent conversation about it. Is your money, or is my money, worth buying all this extra stuff that DJI is spitting out? In the Mavic Platinum Pro case, I'm going to disagree. I'm sure a couple of DJI fanboys out there will put their thumbs up and say I'm wrong. But, you know, I think DJI is a phenomenal product. But in this case, guys, save the 300 bucks and buy a couple extra batteries. That's my opinion. Hope you all agree. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube page. I also would like to thank DroneWorks. Plug them in there because I actually had issues with my DJI product and they took care of me better than DJI ever will. So if you want good customer service, quality service, go to DroneWorks, and that's why I'm plugging him, because I'm all about customer service. You guys have a great day and happy flying and be safe.